Hi, welcome to a short humanities instructional video. Um, we're going to be talking today about taking your ideas from the brainstorming step in your final project and turning them into your essay. So we're going to talk about starting your essay. Um, you are ready for this step once you have a completed idea organizer. So if you're looking at my screen here, you can see there's a final project idea organizer. It's totally filled out. You know if you are done with the idea organizer if you have two change makers in that means two different rows for two different change makers, and you have a row for yourself. Okay, and in here we should have personal qualities. Here we should have some evidence or examples of what did the change maker do or say. And then finally, in the last row, we should have what is the thing that they protested about, or what motivated them to protest. It could be personal, or it could be for the people or the group of people they fought for or represent. So once you have the final idea organizer completed, it's time for you to work on the outline. Okay. When to start your essay, you are going to start with your thesis statement. Thesis statement is the place where we should start anytime we're writing an essay, whether it's for my class, for the state testing, for Jay's class. You always want to start with coming up with your thesis statement, because that's going to tell you what the whole essay is going to be about. So there's this little Jamboard that I created that says, for your 4-paragraph essay, you will write a thesis statement that includes your response to the prompt and 2 clear ideas about the characteristics of changemakers. So characteristics, personal qualities. That prompt you have, the main essay prompt is, what personal qualities do changemakers have? So we're going to take the qualities that you came up with in your idea organizer for your 2 changemakers, and we're going to put them into a thesis statement. So for me, I came up with, okay, Cesar Chavez is persistent, Malala is brave. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say successful changemakers have the qualities of persistence and bravery. So I would go to my thesis statement and I would say successful changemakers have the qualities of persistence and bravery. That would be my thesis statement. So you are totally welcome to use the sentence frame here for your own thesis statement. That is perfectly acceptable. It's really good practice to have a very simple, straightforward, clear thesis statement. Okay? And it also says at the bottom here, ideas 1, you can see here, idea 1 and ideas 2 will be the topics for your body paragraphs. So after you write your thesis statement, your next step in writing on your essay will be to do body paragraph 1 and then body paragraph 2. Now, it says your first idea or your first personal quality will be your topic for body paragraph 1. So this whole paragraph is going to be about persistence. Your second body paragraph is going to be about bravery. Okay? So you're just going to repeat the same kind of claim from your thesis statement here for body paragraph 1. Changemaker has to be persistent. Period. Okay, that's just a very simple way of putting your claim, but specific for your first topic. And guess who you're going to write about? Whoever you wrote about in your idea organizer, that is going to be your evidence. So you would tell me all about Cesar Chavez and what they did that shows their persistence. You do the same thing in this box for bravery. Changemakers must be brave to defeat. Changemakers must be brave to defeat their injustice. I don't know. You got to come up with your own claim for each body paragraph. But this one's going to be about bravery. This one's going to be about persistence. So when it is time for you to start your outline, this is what you should do. Come up with your thesis statement, use this Jamboard, put it into the thesis statement box, and then start your body paragraphs. Give me a claim, give me some evidence. That's the stuff you put in these boxes here. And then explain how your evidence supports the claim that you're making. Okay, the claims are all about those personal qualities, because right, we have to address that prompt. What personal qualities do changemakers have? That's what the whole essay is about. Okay, so finish the idea organizer. You're moving on to the outline. Myself and your instructional assistants will be around to help you with this step. Thanks for watching.